Hello there. This is Minecraft command blocks for absolute beginners. So firstly, you want to create your world. Let's go to single player. I'll just put this on creative. Make sure you have cheats on. And for convenience sake, I'll put this on super flat. And then create your new world. Oh look, there's a village right in front of us. What a nice sight to see. So if you do go to your inventory and try to search for a command block, it doesn't come up. That's because you actually need to pass a test of competency in order to earn the command block. So what you need to do is put in a command in the chat. So press slash to go into the chat, and then type in give, which is the give command. I'll put the syntax up right now. You can either put your username in or put @p. @p is a conditional, it's like a phrase which says do this to the nearest player. And because obviously you're the nearest player to yourself, this will always work. And then put in the Minecraft ID for command block, which is Minecraft command block. Great. Now you want to give the amount of command blocks you want. Let's just say 64. Now we have command blocks. We can also do that for Minecraft stone button, so we can actually activate the command block. And I'll just put a count of 64 on that too. Let's place the command block and place a button on it. And if you right click on this, you'll find the console command. And now we can talk about the second command, which is say. Now say just output something into the chat, so we can say something like hello world. Hello world, great, you made your first command block which does something. That's quite amazing. And we can also use, by the by, you don't need to use slash in the console command. We can also use the command give, and we can put @p, which is the closest player, and in this case it's relative to where the command block is. And obviously if I was pressing this button here, I would probably be the closest player. So we can just do give @p. Let's say you're doing I don't know, a kit PvP server, and you wanted to give them a diamond sword. We can do that. We can give them, oh, I can't spell apparently. We can give them a diamond sword. Let's give them one. And then we can do that. Now we have a diamond sword. And let's say we don't want our players double dipping in items, so we can also put in clear @p, which clears my inventory. Which is, that was actually a mistake because I had command blocks on me, but never mind. And another thing, you can actually give enchantments to items. So you put in 2 curly brackets, and then you put in the keyword enchant. Am I spelling this right? Nope, apparently not. Enchantments, I think. Enchantments. And then you put in a list, which is signified by 2 normal brackets, and then inside the list you can put in multiple items, and the items are going to be more dictionaries, which is signified by curly brackets. And inside a dictionary you can put in the information required for one enchantment. So let's say we want this sword to have sharpness 1. Well, we need to put in the ID for what enchantment we want, which is sharpness. And then after that we put in another statement inside the dictionary of what level we want that enchantment to be, which is LVL, and then we can put in 1. Amazing. And then now if we press done and we press this, we get an enchanted sword with sharpness 1. You can also put in multiple enchants, so we can make a comma and then put in another dictionary, which is signifying another enchant. Put in, I don't know, yeah, fire underscore aspect as the ID. And then we can put the, by the way, max level doesn't really apply here, so you can put anything. You can put like 2000, I believe. So we can put in like 10 10, I guess. And now we have a sword with sharpness 1 and fire aspect 10. So if we use this, this guy's on fire. That's not very good for him, but it's good for me. That's pretty loud also, so I guess that's not very good for me either. You can actually also put enchants on normal items. So if we want to put an enchant on maybe, I don't know, an acacia log. Yes, great idea. We can put that on an acacia log. We just have to type in enchantments, put in another, sorry, list, put in a list, put in a dictionary, put in the ID, let's say knockback, and then put in the level, let's say 20. Yeah, sounds good. And then now if we press the button, we have an acacia log with knockback 20. I'll prove it. This guy's gonna fly quite a bit. Bye bye. Which is pretty neato. You can do the same thing with any item. Let's say a torch. Let's say, yeah, let's go with torch. And then, I don't know, give it sharpness. Let's make this a very, very dangerous torch. Let's give it sharpness 20. That seems reasonable. This is gonna do quite a bit of damage. Yep, one-shots these. Does it one-shot the big slime? Nope, it two-shots the big slime. Yeah, so we have a pretty deadly torch here. That's basically all I wanted to show you, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Goodbye.